Guys, we're really going to the mall today, and I'm really with Ate Pia. Ate Bonnie, and what's Pia next? Here's Kuya Tudlos here, and here's Ate Bonnie. And we're actually going to the mall today, but so for wait.
Hi guys, so it's currently 3:43 p.m. and we're about to go out. Market pala. This is a vlog takeover. Hi guys, it's Sunday. Currently 3:56 p.m. and we're about to go out with the fam. The owner of the channel, Tita and AK and B.
Hello everybody, just so you know, capitalism is a scam. Capitalism is a scam. It's a scam.
This is my outfit for today. A rainy gala with the fam. Ang tagal ng grab. Bye guys. Be right back. Be right back. Okay. We'll see you at the mall. Takpan natin na. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. I'm gonna grab some coffee, then maybe do some strolling inside the mall.
Ang in-order ko po, chocolate.
I hope it won't rain.
Tapos umiyak ka. Helicopter! Helicopter!
Say hi, Chami.
Magbibideo po tayo, guys. Papakita ko ang buong mundo. Ayan po sila.
Lagay mo nga.
Tingin nga, POV na. POV ka? POV. Ayaw nga.
Ay.
Diyan kita. Kami. Hi. Po ang owner. Owner ng YouTuber. Anong gusto mo? Milk tea?
Hi guys! So, our food is here. Actually, pastries pa lang siya, di ba? Naantay pa natin yung ibang drinks. So, I used to vlog before, like, way back when I was 12 years old. I used to vlog our school supplies kasi I love to buy colorful and pinkish stuff, di ba? I used to buy in, what do you call that brand? Smiggle? Shop. Siya yung mahilig sa Smiggle. So, ate. I am not sure kung babalik akong vlogging. Pero we'll see. Maybe pag, like, nakapag, like sa university na ako nag-aaral kasi, ewan. Kasi gumawa ng mga college diaries, university series, tas a day in my life as a med student. Taas ng pangarap niya.
She's a little bit she's not little bit, like,
What are you doing? Are you vlogging?
yeah, we're doing it together. And we're at the mall then, that was what the happy skin. It's a happy skin. What is here? Like, down, down.
I think this vlog ends here. As these kids are gonna go home. And we have to go home. Hi guys, so we just got home.
So we're gonna go home in Cavite na. So this takeover is now over. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Stay hydrated and full all the time. You're full of love. Bye-bye.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good